Hey everybody, today is my cleanup day, so I'm doing a quick, early get ready makeup with me. And then I'm going to have my coffee, and then I will sweep and mop and dust and wash. Already have a load of laundry going. I wake up early on this. I try to wake up early on these days to do that. And then I usually do my makeup and then cook and everything. But today I am doing it all backwards. I'm doing the makeup way early. So it will be a little silent, quiet makeup. Same brush, minted, buried away. I have the mirror right there, so I hope this video come out fine because I'm doing it on my phone. Because like I say, this is early. Everybody is still sleeping. Somebody cutting their grass already. This person is early. They are already cutting grass. Okay, so far, so good. I hope I have enough light. I did not put all the lights on. I just put my ring light on. So I hope this is good enough. This was given to me by a friend. It's a single eyeshadow, but it looks very pretty. This is very pretty. This is the color. So cute. Let's do this. Because everybody gonna be up soon. I think everybody's off today. So that's why I'm trying to do this as early as possible. Everyone is off today. So this is such a pretty color. Oh, I love it. Taking my brush, I'm going back in here and I am fixing. I always open my eyes wide so I can get the crease, and then when I'm finished, I leave my eyes how it is regular, and then I go above. So I can see my color. This is a pretty color. So it's like a multi-chrome. It has different shades in it. I don't know if you can see it. It looks one way, it looks one way, it looks green, it looks like it has purple. It's very cute, see? I have no contacts, so I have to go close to make sure I can see what I need to see. Hopefully you can see me. Like right in your face with this. I don't know if it's upside down. Eyeliner. Like I say, mascara, so I can. It's very nice today in Florida, so the grass people are already out there cutting grass. They are like, let's just start before it gets too hot. Me too. Somebody phone ringing. I mean, they're waking up. Okay, that was that. I don't know. I did show you this. This is my e.l.f. body prime. This is the complete eye look. I am getting ready for me to go do my housework and have my coffee. Today's word is harmony. Harmony. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. I am saying bye. Everybody's waking up. I gotta go. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. I told you all I was right on time. They just wake up.